YouTube, this is Just Being Key. I was about to do a deep conditioning mask on my hair and decided to show you guys. So I had already added my honey to my mix. So you'll need 1 egg, mayonnaise. I add olive oil to enhance mine, castor oil, and grapeseed oil. And benefits of using extra virgin olive oil on the hair: it conditions the scalp, it works as a natural conditioner, it makes hair soft and shiny, it locks in moisture which prevents dry, brittle hair. Benefits of using the grapeseed oil: it naturally produces sebum from the scalp, which is an oil substance which keeps hair shiny and healthy. It also moisturizes and conditions dry hair, prevents frizz, split ends, and brittle hair. Benefits of using castor oil on hair: you'll have thicker, longer hair. It helps increase circulation to the scalp, which promotes growth. It moisturizes dry hair. It keeps hair soft and hydrated. It also helps reduce dandruff. Now you'll be adding all the ingredients to the bowl. I don't have any specific measurements that I use. I just use enough for my hair, so you could do the same. Okay, so just mix all the ingredients together. It is messy and runny. I would wear an old t-shirt when I'm applying it to my hair. I left this on for 30 to 45 minutes with a plastic cap. Make sure you rinse with cool water because the egg will start to cook in your hair. You will have to pick all those pieces out. If you're experiencing any breakage or shedding, it stops immediately. This mask is wonderful. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching.